Говори. В пизду, блядь!
Warthog Defense reported on the disastrous attack by Russia's 155th Marine Brigade in Kursk, which was carried out under red Soviet banners. This further enraged Russian war bloggers who were already furious. They were devastated by the brigade's losses, as it was effectively dismantled on the battlefield, reflecting their catastrophic defeats in Kursk. Now we have the footage of a phenomenal attempt by Russia's elite 155th Marine Brigade to storm Nikolskoye in Kursk region. A column of 10 tanks and a company of infantry advanced under Soviet red flags, shouting "Forward for victory!" But mines and a swarm of drones swiftly sent them to Surovikin's bunker. The attack is repelled by Ukrainian 47th Mechanized Brigade. Waves of infantry supported by tanks, some with mine trawls and IFVs waving the red flag, try to reach Ukrainian positions. One by one, they are taken out by FPV drones. All that is left is destroyed Russian equipment and bodies of Russian soldiers. Russia's 155th Marine Brigade suffered devastating losses in Kursk, with reports indicating the unit was effectively dismantled on the battlefield. Warthog Defense detailed how the attack, carried out under Soviet red banners, ended in disaster, further enraging Russian war bloggers. Despite previous heavy casualties, Moscow continues to send these Marines into futile assaults, leading to even greater losses. The scale of destruction reflects the broader failures of Russian forces in the region, as Ukrainian defenses remain strong and effective. A Russian KAMAZ supply vehicle got hit by Ukrainian FPVs and went traveling on its own.
Here's our Eurobot, without childhood. Complete mess, damn it, Dave. Fucking hell together. Damn, the guys don't know. Door opening, damn it, unknown, damn. Mess, come on, one. Fucking hell, damn.
Targeting Russian supply vehicles is a crucial strategy that significantly weakens their frontline operations. Without a steady flow of ammunition, fuel, and essential equipment, Russian forces struggle to sustain their offensives, leading to delays, disorganization, and increased vulnerability to Ukrainian counterattacks. Ukrainian drones, artillery, and sabotage units consistently strike convoys, depots, and railway lines, disrupting logistics and forcing Russian troops to ration supplies. This not only reduces their combat effectiveness, but also lowers morale, as soldiers face shortages of food, medical aid, and even basic necessities. The destruction of fuel trucks limits tank and vehicle mobility, while the loss of ammunition shipments forces Russian artillery to fire less frequently, giving Ukrainian forces the upper hand.
Come on now, come on. Feel it all.
Artillerymen of the 47th Mechanized Brigade strike a Russian observation post in Kursk region with a 155mm M712 Copperhead shell from a M109 A6 self-propelled howitzer. The Ukrainian 47th Mechanized Brigade is crucial for repelling Russian attacks in Kursk and conducting counteroffensives in this Russian region, which is of key importance to Ukraine's strategy. A 155mm cluster shell detonates nearby as a communist captures the moment on video.
Говори. В пизду, блядь!
A wounded Russian complains about the lack of beds in a Rostov hospital, and he was only given water half a day later. He also mentions not receiving bandages, stating that according to his contract, he should have already died, and expresses his deep gratitude to his beloved homeland.
Look, this is how we are lying. We traveled the whole day at Baraninas. We have devices set up. We are lying here in Rostov, on stretchers all day. No spaces. They don't do dressings for us, because it's just not possible. In short, we're stuck here, on stretchers. It's impossible to endure any longer. This is our beloved homeland. Care for the soldiers. This is how it really is. We will probably be lying here until tomorrow because there is no space. We asked for water for half the day and they brought it. Great, right? So According to the contract, we are supposed to go and die for our wonderful homeland.
Suicide attempt. Russians tried to deliver infantry to the Antonivsky Bridge near the Daki village in the Kherson region, but Ukrainian drone operators are awake there. Following a brief period of reduced activity, Russian forces have escalated their offensive on the Pridniprovsky front, initiating 8 assaults, notably near the Antonivsky Bridge and the destroyed railway crossing. Ukrainian defense units successfully repelled all attacks, destroying 2 MTLB armored vehicles and inflicting significant casualties, as reported by Southern spokesperson Bratchuk. In a recent attempt, Russian assault groups from Oleshki tried to breach Ukrainian defenses near the Antonivsky Bridge. The Ukrainian defense forces, anticipating this move, thwarted the crossing, preventing the enemy from even reaching the midpoint of the Dnipro River. This incident underscores the ongoing strategic importance of the Antonivsky Bridge area, despite its destruction in November 2022 during the Russian retreat. The bridge's remains continue to be a focal point for military engagements, as control over this area influences supply routes and tactical positioning along the Dnipro River. The intensified Russian operations in this sector reflect a broader strategy to regain lost ground and disrupt Ukrainian defensive lines. Zelensky: I blocked the agreement with Trump on mineral rights as it does not protect Ukraine interests. Then he goes diplomatic. It must be legally correct regarding investments and security guarantees. I don't yet see in the document.
The agreement, firstly, is signed at the ministerial level, but I am the president and will have influence on the quality of this document. And that is why I did not allow the ministers to sign the corresponding agreement, because it is not ready, in my opinion. It is not it is not yet ready to protect us, our interests. For me, it is very important to talk about investments in Ukraine, and specifically investments, and it must be spelled out legally, correctly, accurately, and these are investments, and on the profit from them. One can think about how to distribute these profits if all this is connected with security guarantees, you understand, and I don't see this focus in the document.
The Defense Intelligence of Ukraine has received a T-12 speedboat from volunteers. The speedboat is intended for medical evacuation, missions to rescue civilians from the frontline regions, and other water operations. It was donated as part of the Boats for the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine project, which aims to improve the amphibious capabilities of the Special Forces. The boat was transferred as part of the Diana Podolyanchuk Charity Fund initiative in cooperation with the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine. We are handing over the boat to the DIU soldiers, who carry out special missions on the water. First of all, it is the rescue of civilians from the frontline areas, medical evacuation, as well as combat raids that undermine the enemy's defense capabilities. So we hope this powerful watercraft will help our guys fulfill their tasks. Diana Podolyanchuk, head of the foundation, shared.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.